Alright, this is a sewer inspection on South San Remo, and we are going to start with the kitchen stack. Just put me right into a combo. So this is right at the very bottom of the stack after we make the turn. And the line is either full of debris or broken. Definitely an issue here. See if I can't push any of this debris. No, that's roots. You can clearly see them now. So the line's definitely broken under the floor. The only other time I see roots and things of that nature is if something's kind of made a home in here. I've seen rats do it before, but if you look at the top of the pipe, it's in pretty bad shape. I would recommend, if you do purchase the house, definitely some further exploration here. You may want to get this hydrojetted and then take a look at it again. Either way, it's completely full of debris. Alright, now we are at the main stack. And see if we can get to the main line through here, check the condition, then we'll be able to check the line from the house to the street. So this obviously looks much better than the kitchen line. Most of the time when I do find any lines broken, they're usually always the kitchen. So we got some, looked like a paper towel or a dryer sheet or something in there, which that's not a terribly big deal. Alright, so this is going to be the clean out or test tee. So 24 feet under the house. Under the house is obviously cast iron, so the main line under the house looks pretty good. And this line here is Orangeburg. So this is the main line from the house out to the city. This is Orangeburg pipe. You can see how bumpy and lumpy and full of debris and dirt. So this line needs to be replaced. The main sewer line between the house and the city tap. Orangeburg pipe is almost like a tar paper substance, and you can easily break it with just a shovel. So this is already going to cause problems. You can see how it almost looks like an egg, how it's oblong. So waste and solids are not going to pass through here very well at all. And they cut a PVC clean out into it, and this is going to be right at the city tap. Right where that clay is where the city is. So we've got an issue with the kitchen line, and then the main sewer line itself is Orangeburg. So sorry to be the bearer of bad news. This is John with I Find Leaks. Thanks for watching.